everyone, hope everyone is fine. I'm very happy to see you back again in Jam channel. Today we are going to learn a craft work, and this craft work is from Matthew chapter 13. This entire chapter is talking about a parable of sower. Okay, there's a farmer who is sowing seeds in different kinds of land, and how the plants are growing in these different kinds of land is the message. Okay, so you just watch this video and understand what God wants to tell you here. Okay, so now I'll just give a small introduction about this parable of sower. The farmer plants the seeds in different areas, and only in one place the plants started growing and it gave fruit. So you need to understand that God wants to talk to you and wants to obey the things that God has shown to you. So you need to always obey God and listen to Him so that you will flourish, you will nourish in the God. Okay, so you can bear fruits for Jesus Christ. Okay, watch this video. It is a hot sunny day. The farmer has come to the farm to sow the seeds in his land. He is first sowing the seed in a place full of sand and good soil. He is sowing the seeds in a second place where there is sand and as well as stones over there. In the third place, you can see the sand is full of thorns and bushes. In the fourth place, you can see it is an empty land and he is sowing the seeds. So finally, the farmer has sown the seeds for the day. On day 2, the farmer comes to water the plants. We can see the plants has grown in the first and the second pots, where there is sand and gravel, and the bushes and in the empty space. Day 3. The farmer comes to water the plants on the day 3. We can see that the plants has grown in the first pot, and in the second pot the plants has grown and it got dried and it died. The third part, the plants doesn't grow. And in the fourth part, we can see that there is no progress. Hello everyone. Did you see the farmer planting the seeds in his land? And you see what happened after this, right? Let's see a little story about 4 little kids. Okay. One day they went to the church and they were in the Sunday class. And the teacher was teaching them about how Jesus Christ was helping the people when they are in need. The 4 little children heard this message and they were returning to their home. On their way back, they saw an old man who is very sick and he was very dirty. One of the kids saw this and he just went as it is. He was not ready to help the old man. So we can compare that kid with this 4th cup. So in this cup you see, it was a very empty cup. So when the farmer sowed the seed, he watered the seeds, there was nothing happened. So just like that kid went away without helping that old man. The second kid thought of helping the old man. So that kid went near the old man and wanted to help him. On seeing this, the friends started teasing him. And the second kid, what he did, he just don't want to help the old man. He just came back to his friend's circle. The other 2 kids wanted to help the old man. So they went to the old man and they were helping him to cross the road. So they were moving and they were crossing the road. Some of the friends saw this third one and they were mocking at him and they said like, if you help the old man, we will not be your friends hereafter. So on hearing these things, the third kid, what did is like, he went back to his friends and they were started going to his home. But the 4th kid wanted to help the old man and he wanted not to leave him. So they went and they crossed the road successfully. So we saw about the 4 kids and how they helped the old man. The first kid doesn't want to look at him and he just went like that. The second kid tried to help him, but since his friends was there, he hesitated and he moved away. The third and the 4th kid were trying to help him, but the third kid's friends told him like, if you help the old man, we will not be your friends. And so the third kid also went in such a way. But the 4th kid, without listening to his friends, without seeing the circumstances, without seeing what people will think of him, he wanted to help the old man because he heard in the church like Jesus Christ helped the people who are in need. So he wanted to help him whatever the situation is around him. As Jesus Christ helped the people who are in need in their times, he wanted to do that. So he practiced the same way. Even though the old man was a sick man, he was very dirty, he gave his hand, he wanted to help him, and so he crossed over successfully. So if we compare our lives with these 4 cups, the first cup, it was of no use, it just went away. The second cup is full of thorns and bushes, and it cannot bring the plant. The third cup is with little sand and more sand and rocks over there. It grew, but in the middle it failed and it died. It's of no use. But the one which is planted in a good soil has given a very big plant and become a fruit. So we need to have in mind, like we need to help others when they need. So you just think of yourself, so whom you are in this cup. Okay? So kids, I hope you got this message. So we'll try to do a little activity. Okay? You take a cup, like 4 cups. Okay? You take a little quantity of sand in 1 cup, and then sand plus some little small quantity of rocks, and then some small dust in 1 cup. Okay? You take some small seeds you get it from your mother, from your kitchen. Okay? You plant those seeds in all these cups. You water them daily and just see which one is growing. Okay? Here we saw like the one in the empty land doesn't grow. Here we saw the one which is poured in the bushes has no life. And the third one with the sand and ground, it did not grow well, but in the middle it died. But the one with the good soil, okay, it flourished and gave a beautiful plant. Okay? So you do the same activity, and what you're going to do is like you're going to take a pic and you're going to send it us back. Okay? You do this activity and send us pic. Okay? And one more thing, you need to always hear what God said, and you need to follow what Jesus Christ has done. Okay? Thank you. Bye.